Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your Binance deposit address. Okay, so to find your Binance deposit address, you need to open up the Binance app. So you gotta go to your wallet. It could be a Web3 or just your standard wallet. Okay, in here. Now, once you're in here, what you'll do is just go out and find the crypto or cryptocurrency where you needed the deposit address. So for example, I have here Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap on Bitcoin, and then once that's done, I'm going to tap on add Bitcoin. Okay, as we need to deposit, well, let's select add, tap on it. And in here, what you do is go ahead and tap on chain deposit. Okay, tap on it. And once that's done, go ahead and choose the network. For example, you have selected BSC or BNB Smart Chain under the crypto wallet, where the sending or transfer will occur. Okay, for example, BSC or BEP20 or even Bitcoin. Okay, make sure that it matches. So just tap on it, tap on OK right here, and here you have your deposit address. Also, if you want to, you can just go ahead and scan this one. Okay, and it will just do the same thing. Okay, or if you want to, you can just copy this one and just paste it to the other wallet. Okay, then continue with the sending process. That's basically it. That is how you find your Binance deposit address. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.